muscle cars command respect, quite like the 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. Widely regarded as one of the most iconic body styles of the golden era of American performance, the '67 Chevelle represents the perfect balance between aggressive styling and street-dominating power. This particular example elevates that legacy even further, presenting itself not as a simple restoration, but as a carefully executed Restomod that blends classic muscle heritage with modern performance engineering. Finished in striking Bolero Red, the exterior immediately captures attention. The deep red paint enhances the Chevelle's sharp body lines, muscular fenders, and signature long hood, short deck proportions. Chrome trim and classic badging complement the bold color choice, maintaining the authentic 1960s aesthetic while delivering show-quality presence. The stance is purposeful and confident, sitting just right to emphasize both performance capability and timeless design. From every angle, this Chevelle radiates authority, whether parked at a show or rolling down the street. Under the hood lies the true highlight of this build, a massive 502 cubic inch V8 engine. This big-block powerhouse transforms the Chevelle from a classic cruiser into a serious performance machine. Paired with a Holley 850 carburetor, the engine delivers strong throttle response and impressive horsepower, providing the kind of raw acceleration that defined the golden age of American muscle. The deep rumble of the exhaust note reinforces its presence, offering an unmistakable soundtrack that enthusiasts instantly recognize and appreciate. Power is delivered through a 2004 or 4-speed automatic transmission, offering a blend of strength and drivability. This transmission choice allows for smooth cruising while still being capable of handling the engine's substantial torque. Rear-wheel drive maintains the traditional muscle car configuration, ensuring authentic driving dynamics and satisfying launches when the throttle is applied. Supporting the drivetrain is a performance-oriented setup designed to provide both reliability and confidence behind the wheel. Handling and braking have been significantly upgraded to match the engine's output. Equipped with QA1 suspension components, this Chevelle benefits from improved stability, ride quality, and control compared to factory specifications. Four-wheel disc brakes provide modern stopping power, enhancing safety and ensuring that the car's performance is balanced by dependable braking capability. These thoughtful upgrades make the vehicle far more refined and usable in today's driving environment without sacrificing its classic identity. Inside, the black interior provides a clean and cohesive contrast to the bold red exterior. The cabin retains its vintage muscle car character while incorporating subtle enhancements for comfort and enjoyment. The seating is supportive and well-finished, while the dashboard layout remains true to the era's straightforward performance-focused design. A premium stereo system has been integrated, offering modern audio quality without disrupting the car's classic atmosphere. The result is an interior that feels both nostalgic and practical, suitable for weekend cruising or longer drives. Beyond its specifications, this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle stands as a representation of what makes American muscle cars so enduringly popular. It embodies freedom, power, and individuality. The Restomod approach ensures that while the car honors its original heritage, it also delivers the reliability and performance expected by today's enthusiasts. It is not confined to being a static showpiece. It is built to be driven, experienced, and enjoyed. With its big block 502 V8, upgraded suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, and striking Bolero Red finish, this Chevelle offers the best of both worlds. Classic 1960s styling combined with modernized performance capability. It appeals equally to collectors seeking an iconic model and drivers who want a thrilling, usable muscle car. For anyone who appreciates the raw energy of vintage American performance wrapped in a carefully upgraded package, this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle represents an opportunity to own a true legend reimagined for the modern era. What truly sets this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle apart is the way every component works together to create a cohesive driving experience. The 502 big block is not simply installed for headline appeal. It has been thoughtfully integrated into a chassis that can support its immense output. The upgraded suspension geometry, reinforced components, and modern braking system ensure that the power feels usable rather than overwhelming. This balance is what defines a well-executed Restomod, retaining the soul of a classic while elevating its capabilities to contemporary standards. The exterior presentation further reinforces that philosophy. The Bolero Red finish does more than highlight the car's sculpted lines. It amplifies the Chevelle's naturally aggressive character. Under sunlight, the paint reveals depth and richness, accentuating the muscular contours that made the 1967 model year so desirable among collectors. The chrome accents provide just enough contrast to maintain authenticity without distracting from the car's bold stance. Every visual detail contributes to a unified aesthetic that feels intentional and refined. On the road, the transformation from vintage muscle to modernized performer becomes even more apparent. The 4-speed automatic transmission allows relaxed cruising at highway speeds while still delivering firm, confident shifts under acceleration. The engine's torque curve provides effortless power throughout the rev range, making overtaking maneuvers and spirited launches equally satisfying. The enhanced suspension system keeps body roll controlled and steering response predictable, offering a level of composure that factory-original examples often lack. Inside the cabin, the atmosphere blends nostalgia with subtle convenience. The black interior maintains a timeless look, grounding the car in its 1960s heritage, while the upgraded audio system introduces modern enjoyment without compromising style. Controls are straightforward and mechanical, reminding the driver that this is a machine built around engagement rather than automation. The seating position feels purposeful, and visibility remains strong thanks to the classic pillar design and expansive glass area. From a collector's perspective, vehicles like this occupy a particularly attractive niche in today's market. Numbers-matching originals have undeniable historical value, yet many enthusiasts desire performance that matches modern expectations. This Chevelle answers that demand directly. It offers the unmistakable design and presence of a golden-era muscle car, while delivering reliability and drivability suitable for regular enjoyment. It is equally at home at a weekend cruise night, a regional car show, or simply carving through open roads on a clear afternoon. Ultimately, this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle represents more than just restored sheet metal and upgraded hardware. It symbolizes the enduring appeal of American muscle, raw power, confident styling, and a sense of freedom that transcends generations. By blending classic design with contemporary enhancements, it stands as a reminder that true automotive icons do not fade with time. They evolve, becoming even more compelling when passion and craftsmanship come together in perfect harmony. That harmony between past and present is what gives this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle its enduring impact. The 1967 model year is often considered one of the most visually balanced designs of the entire Chevelle generation, with its clean side profile, subtle body sculpting, and assertive front fascia. Unlike later models that leaned toward heavier styling cues, the 67 retains a purity of form that makes it highly desirable among collectors and builders alike. This example capitalizes on that foundation, enhancing it without overwhelming it. The 502 cubic inch V8 under the hood delivers not just horsepower, but presence. Big block torque transforms the car's personality the moment the accelerator is pressed. There is an immediate surge forward, a deep mechanical roar that resonates through the cabin and announces its authority to anyone nearby. Yet despite this formidable output, the car remains composed thanks to its upgraded suspension system. QA1 components provide improved damping control, minimizing unwanted body movement and increasing driver confidence during spirited driving. The result is a muscle car that feels planted and responsive rather than unpredictable. Braking performance is equally important in a build of this caliber. The addition of four-wheel disc brakes dramatically improves stopping power compared to factory drum setups from the era. This upgrade not only enhances safety, but also reinforces the car's capability as a true driver's machine. Confidence in braking translates to confidence in performance, allowing the driver to fully explore the engine's potential without hesitation. The Restomod philosophy extends to usability. While many classic muscle cars are limited to short cruises or special occasions due to comfort concerns, this Chevelle is designed to be enjoyed more frequently. The automatic transmission simplifies driving in traffic, while the improved ride quality makes longer journeys more realistic. The integration of a modern stereo system further enhances the experience, providing entertainment without compromising the vintage aesthetic that defines the cabin. Visually, the Chevelle commands respect wherever it appears. The Bolero Red finish, paired with the muscular stance and polished trim, ensures it stands out among both classic and modern vehicles. It bridges generations effortlessly. Older enthusiasts appreciate its authenticity, while younger fans admire its aggressive presence and big block power. Ultimately, this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle is not just a car, it is a statement of enduring American performance. It captures the raw spirit of the muscle car era while embracing thoughtful modernization. Powerful, refined, and unmistakably iconic, it represents the kind of build that satisfies both the heart and the mind. An investment in heritage that delivers excitement every time the key is turned. An investment in heritage that delivers excitement every time the key is turned. Beyond its performance numbers and polished presentation, this 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle embodies the emotional core of American muscle. It represents an era when horsepower was king, styling was bold, and driving was an experience meant to be felt rather than filtered. Every ignition start carries anticipation, every throttle input delivers satisfaction, and every cruise becomes an event rather than a routine commute. The beauty of this build lies in its versatility. It can idle confidently at a car show, drawing attention with its vibrant Bolero Red finish and big block presence, or it can stretch its legs on open roads with commanding acceleration and composed handling. It offers the unmistakable silhouette of a golden-era icon while delivering performance that meets modern expectations. For enthusiasts who value authenticity but demand drivability, this Chevelle stands as a powerful reminder that classic muscle never truly fades. It simply evolves into something even more thrilling.